Hello and welcome to this video about taking AI meeting notes with Notion. And as you can see, the system summarizes everything about the discussions in your meeting, and from there you can even get actionable items so everyone knows what needs to happen next in the project. And you can even ask the AI system for questions. For example, if something unclear, you can get some further clarifications, and you can search past in meetings to see what was discussed previously. So if you're a Notion heavy company or using Notion a lot, I think it's a very interesting add-on, because then everything stays within the same system. And it works in Google Meet and Zoom and even Microsoft Teams. So it's very convenient if you have to have meetings in multiple systems. And you can even capture it on mobile. So I think it's pretty interesting if you have to use multiple voice calling or meeting tools, because then everything is centralized within Notion. If you just stick with Google Meet, then you can see that they have their own offering where Google will automatically transcribe the call already. So I think you just have to see if you use multiple voice or call systems or use Notion a lot, then it's very useful. In other instances, you might look at more native solutions, such as the one built into Google Meet itself. So that was a quick look at the new AI note-taking tool of Notion, and I think it's a very exciting add-on to their system. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and have a great day ahead. Thank you.